Hi, a happy hoarder here, and I'm so glad to be participating in the Timeless Elegance Decor Club open collaboration hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living and co-hosted by Petal Bless DIY and I Style My Style. Back in July, I bought some new slip covers for my outdoor furniture. But now that the seasons are changing, I think I need something a little bit more fall. Now, I thought I'd take a break during September because I had been doing a lot of collaborations and videos, but this is something that needed to get done, so why not make a video about it? Now, I have a lot of stuff that has gathered some dust and cobwebs over the summer because it was just so hot nobody wanted to sit outside or even clean up. So it's kind of been let go for a while. So it took me quite a while to get all of this cleaned up, dusted, washed, and oh my goodness, what a busy day I had. But I definitely have a plan to make this look a little bit more fall. Because I am participating in No Shopping September, I couldn't go out and buy new slipcovers, so I had to use my old ones. But I kind of like these. These are sure fit, and they are a little bit hard to put on. But I think they work really well for the winter. But we're just going to find a way to keep them into the fall. So to do that, I climbed up in the attic the other day, with my husband's help, of course, and pulled out some of my fall decor. Let me tell you a little bit about these pieces. I found these pumpkins after Thanksgiving at Rolling Hills Ministry and only paid $1.55 for each of them. And know that's because I had left the price tags on them. I also bought that beautiful silver tray last month at Rolling Hills for only $4.55. So I really enjoyed that. Now the pillows, well, they came from my lake house. I have plans though next month when I get to go shopping again to get some really cute pillow covers like I had in the beginning of the video with the little birds. I've seen some adorable ones for fall on Amazon. Now this is my view. It's not quite changed to fall yet, except for all the pollen that's fallen in the pond. It's still looking kind of like late summer to me. But I am enjoying this little break in the weather where it's been cool enough to get out and do some good old DIYs and a little outdoor cleaning. So I'll have a lot more projects to come. So please keep watching my videos and see what I come up with next. Well, so far these pillows do work with the slip cover, but I think I want something a little cuter. Now the bicycle right now, it's a permanent fixture on the back porch because that's where I'm supposed to be riding my bike every morning. And I really enjoyed this particular cover with all the writing on it. Now I did get a new rug. I don't think I really broke the No Shopping September rule since my husband went out and got it. Plus I picked it out in August and he never went and picked it up for me. Well, I've got it now. I think it really works on my porch. The only decorations I have up right now is a little tin bucket kind of envelope thing that I've had for many years. And I've used it on my front door and things like that before. And I just found it. I thought, I'm going to get another year of good use out of this. I did do a little rearranging of the leaves because now they were all kind of hidden away inside the bucket. So I pulled them out and did a little hot gluing and so they would show up better. So I still have a couple of DIY projects left to go to make some little side tables, maybe add some flowers and other fall decor. As soon as I was finished with this, I went inside and set my kitchen table. I picked up these really cute plates in Houston one time when I was visiting my sister. I was so looking forward to fall when I could use them. So I did a little layering of kind of a Tuscany looking scene and then these lovely pomegranate plates. I just love how the pomegranate sits, just a little crooked. All of this was thrifted, as usual. And the placemats I've had a while, and they've been washed a few times, but we're actually using this table setting. My son's in town, and so we've been crowded up at my little kitchen table, because right now my dining table needs a total makeover. This is my time of year, because I love fall colors, so I really get a big kick out of using these colors on my tables. Now, funny little story about the silverware and the napkin rings. They came out of a goodie bag from Rolling Hills, and the silverware was pretty much on its way back. But I kind of liked it, so I was wrapping it up to give it back to God, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to try it at least once. Or hey, even maybe put it in our camping stuff. And those napkin rings I actually bought to recover, but they kind of went with what I was using, so I thought, hey, I'm going to give them a try too. Both the water goblets and those lovely wine glasses are finds from Rolling Hills thrift store. I find the best stuff there and you know it. And then that really funny candle I found there as well. I cleared off all the hats from the hall stand, but something tells me they'll find their way back. The hatch hasn't changed much yet. I'm still working on a few things around the house, and I just kind of put that one off. But I do have some funny little dead fairy butterflies hanging up. But those are going to be in another video, which I'm going to call my DIY fail. So many things went wrong, but you'll have to check on that video when it comes out. I still have some of my blue and white out, and I'm debating on whether I want to keep it out or if I want to just save it with my spring stuff. So, what do you think? Would you use the blue in the fall, or do you rather use it in the spring? And there's the dead fairy, so please, wait for that video to come out. It's going to be funny. Well, maybe you, but when I was doing it, I wasn't laughing. One thing I love, our table set for the evening. Everything looks so much more elegant at night by candlelight. So I wanted to get a shot of that for you to enjoy. And the pumpkins just looked adorable with their little candles flickering inside. Another Rolling Hills thrift store goodie bag find. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and hey, hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos.